Hi, it's John Sabot for FarEastAdventureTravel.com, and I'm in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, just outside the KL Bird Park. Just starting to rain, so we hope we don't get soaked. We're going to go inside, undercover, have a look at the birds, feed some parrots, see what happens. Come to me, milk.
Oh wow.
I hope they don't crap on me. They're pretty gentle, actually. Well, it's too thin. Now I'm gonna get a fight here on my arm. This is just milk?
Yes. Milk and honey.
Milk and honey. I think I'm gonna be here for a while. They're drinking pretty slowly. Ooh.
Wow, cool man.
Yep.
Cool
Shift
man.
work.
Yeah.
Well, this is good. I mean, we got to distribute the milk and honey, for the parrot world. Have I still got something on my neck? Or... Oh, there we go. That's it. It's all done. You're good. Good to go. Gambe. Cheers. And that's it. That's all you want from me. Oh, and a little crap at the end.